Hi guys, I'm just gonna show you a small fix today. I had a little bit of a panic today when I was trying to use my Orca Slicer, because normally you can go in here and you can click the mouse key and you can the right mouse and you can sort of pan and pivot and everything, just like you can do in like here. If you hold down Shift and use the scroll wheel mouse button, you can pivot and tilt and whatever on the models in Fusion 360. Well, I can zoom and everything in Orca, but I cannot actually pivot. Like, you hold down the mouse button and you try to move it sideways or whatever. Well, the fix is quite simple. You go to the preference menu up here, top left corner, preferences, and then you go in and you find the setting called camera style and touchpad, and then you change that to default, and then you close the window, and voila, you can now drag and you can also pivot like normal. So this is basically a setting that overrules a normal mouse behavior because you're using a touchpad instead of you using a laptop. So thought I would show you that because it almost drove me nuts. I thought it was my PC, so I turned it off and on, and I was just confused because it worked in Fusion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.